I want you guys to try celery water. It's just celery and water blended in. Y'all, I've been having a common cold for the last month. Like, basically, I've been coughing up mucus for a whole month straight. And I was watching this video saying, take celery water. I had took it yesterday and literally today, I am not coughing. And it took a whole month of me coughing up mucus to watch that YouTube video on this woman. She was like, drink celery water. Your health would be great. And I can't believe it. Today is the first time in a whole month I have not coughed up mucus. You guys, please drink celery and water and blend it up in a blender. And you can filter out the when you blend up your celery water and your celery, you're gonna have a lot of that celery stalks. So you can filter it out if you want to. But guys, please try it.